If you're coming here looking for dental implants, everything can be done here in one location. You don't have to go anywhere else. You can have the dental implant, you can have the extractions here, we can sedate you, we have nitrous oxide, you can be totally relaxed. There's no surprises here at all. Everything done in one location. Can be done for as little as $100 a month on up to $600 a month. So we give you multiple choices, and it's all in one location, so we can charge you less. We also value quality. We consider ourselves concierge dentists, where we're going to give you the best possible treatment and alternatives. There's hundreds of different implant varieties on the market, but we pick the best for you. We're not going to skimp on what we do. We want the best for you, no surprises, and you'll be totally happy with your results. Very important not to just look at price. I know price is a concern, but you want to have a doctor who has a track record, who's done a good job, who's gone to continuing education, who knows the latest and the greatest ways of fixing things. So it's not just going to a doctor and starting treatment. You need to do your homework. And here at State of the Art Dental Group, we're on top of everything with the latest technology, the best possible implants we can do, the best assistance, everything in one place. Everything's on the table. There's no hidden charges. Many times when work is done, sometimes extra procedures are needed. Guess what? We don't charge you for those extra procedures. We want what's best for you. When we give you a final price, that's it. When we do implants, if 4 implants are needed and we need to do 6, we're not going to charge you extra. Everything is included in a bundle in one price for you, so you don't have to worry about hidden fees. The best way is to come in. We have a no-charge consultation. We'll even take x-rays at no charge for you. Whether you want 1 implant or if you need 6 implants or you need all your teeth extracted or 1 tooth extracted, we will help you and make an appointment. Again, there's no charge for that, and we will come up with the best possible solution for you, giving you a number of alternatives.